finally. It's a song about self-love. It's not my story, but I wrote it to celebrate people who were able to overcome whatever difficulties to get to a place where they choose themselves first and not, allow themselves to be hurt by people who even claim to love them. A lot of us are hurting and we don't even know. And so I dedicate the song to you. If you're still struggling and still trying to find your own way to a place of true self-love, I hope the song will inspire you. And if you are already there, if you've overcome that challenge and you can help somebody else to do so, or you are helping other people to do so, I celebrate you with this song. Enjoy.
You're my disease, yeah, I can't pull the plug. I couldn't leave ya. You took advantage of my every little weakness. And when I'm strong, that's when you turn to sweetness. Insecurity's the jail of the mind. So desperate for love, I trusted blindly. And I believed you would be my remedy. Till my eyes were swollen shut, that's when I saw reality. But now I turn on the radio and kick off my shoes. Yes, I turn on the TV, but I mute the news. Do what I want, say what I feel to say. Cause the curse is broken finally. I don't hurt like I did before. No, I don't hide from slamming doors. I'm not as weak as I was yesterday. Cause the curse is broken finally. Oh, I never knew freedom felt this good. Please listen to my story. My mommy didn't love me enough. My daddy's love was tough. I always felt alone. Oh yes, my life was rough. And no, I didn't love myself. It felt good to hear the words from someone else. A young girl with no place to cry. So you took me in, said you would change my life. And I was a mental slave to your emotional rain. And if I had let you, I know you would have hit me again. And told me, take up the knife, and you backed away. I grabbed my bags, and I was free like I'm a toad to hell. I ran screaming, tears of joy in my eyes, cause I'm leaving. I turn on the radio and kick up my shoes. Yes, I turn on the TV, but I mute the news. Do what I want, say what I feel to say. Cause the curse is broken finally. I don't hurt like I did before. No, I don't hide from slamming doors. Not as weak as I was yesterday. Cause the curse is broken. There are things about you that I miss. I look at your picture and I reminisce. But selective memory is a dangerous thing. So yesterday me make sure I said your wedding ring. Cause I won't go back to that kind of life. But Lord knows I thank you. Cause who would I be if I hadn't met you? But I know who I'll be now since I've left you. Oh, freedom feels so I turn on the radio and you.
Sherita Lewis.